Most people don't fail because they are incapable. They fail because they wait to feel ready. We think confidence must come first. Clarity must come first. Courage must come first. But neuroscience tells us something different. Your brain resists change. The amygdala flags everything new as unsafe. So you feel fear and call it, I'm not ready. But confidence is not the starting point. Action is. Tiny action lowers the threat response. Tiny action builds evidence. Evidence builds identity. You don't need a new life plan. You need one brave, tiny step. Open the gate. Send an email. Do 5 squats. Make the Tuesday call. Starting again doesn't require certainty. It requires permission. Hope isn't optimism. Hope is moving before you have proof. So here is the question. What is one small step you can take this week, even if you don't feel ready? Start there. Watch the full episode on thrive60.com. Thank you.